Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are healthy and safe at home. Okay, so we will be continuing the chapter, lesson number 9. What should I eat? And our today's topic is eating together. Okay, now please write down your date, that is 24th of November. And let us move ahead and see what is the learning outcome of this chapter. Okay, by the end of this chapter, children, you should be able to list the places and occasion where we eat together. Okay, there are few places and few occasion in which we eat together. Okay, so you should be able to name those places and those occasion. So, and in our last class, let us revise what we have learned in our last class. In our last class, we have learned the importance of food for health. Yes, we have discussed that food is helpful. Food, we get energy. We eat food for our growth, being strong, and it also helps us in getting protected from various kinds of illness. Yes, this was our last day concept, and now we will be moving toward our today's concept. Now see this picture. Yes, see what you can see. A lady is sitting like this and she is eating something. Okay, now let me show you one more picture. Here so many people are there and they are eating their meal. Okay, their food. Now if I ask you, can you compare the two pictures? You will say, yes, ma'am, the lady looked a little bit sad. And here we can see smile on everybody's face and they are enjoying. Yes, so eating together is a social behavior. Yes, and sometime in our society, we used to eat together to celebrate some festivals. In a place of worship, we used to eat together. I would say this develop our bond between the two peoples. Okay, it enhances the bond between two people. It make them stronger. Their relationship becomes stronger. Okay, so now let us move ahead to some of the things, some of the places where we eat together. See here, generally festivals and weddings. Wedding means marriage. Okay, in marriage party, how many of you have gone to marriage party and have very tasty long list of item dishes there and everybody enjoy? Yes, in this picture you can see, and by looking at the picture we can see this picture is of some wedding. Everybody is well nice dressed, lightings are there, they are enjoying their food. And sometime in some festivals are there where people used to sit together and they eat their meal. Okay, so these are two pictures I have shared you. Now let us move ahead to one more thing, places of worship. It is also a place where people used to eat together. Yes, places of worship, temple, gurudwara, churches. What are places of worship? The place where people used to go and they worship there. They pray to God there. Okay, that is called places of worship. So there are various places of worship depending upon the religion they belong. Okay, some of them go to temples, some of them go to gurudwaras, some pray to God in churches, some of them pray to their God in mosque. So there are different places of worship. Okay, and in these places of worship, people usually have sometimes there are few occasions where they eat together. See here in Gurudwara, we call it langar. Okay, langar is a new term to you. Yes, these all are temples, Gurudwara, and churches. Yes, these all are new words to you. Mosque are there. See the spelling, MOSQUES, mosque. So these are places of worship where people eat together. Okay, now let us move ahead to, this is a picture of mosque, okay? You can see very nicely, if you see, observe nicely, you can see a special cap generally worn by Muslim peoples, okay? So this place might be of a mosque where people are eating together. Here a Christmas tree is there. So we can say, yes, it might be of a church where people are eating together. Here it seems to be some temple where people are eating. This one, you can see a turban there. Various people, they are having turban and they are sitting in a row and eating. So this might be of a langar, gurudwara. Okay, so by looking at the picture, we can identify which place it belonged to. Okay, now one more occasion or place is there where people used to eat together, that is a midday meal. Yes, midday meal, it is a free meal or lunch given in some schools, not all school. Okay, only in specific school meals are given. During that time, during midday meal, children used to sit together and they eat their food together. Okay, that is midday meal. Which food they might be eating? Their lunch. Okay, they are eating their lunch there. Okay, so now let us move ahead and see this portion. Food is very important to us. We must eat our lunch every day. Not only lunch, children, we should eat our breakfast on time. We should eat our dinner on time. And when we go to school, our mothers, your parents generally, your mother, especially your mother, pack your tiffin box. And when all children are opening their tiffin box, sometimes they used to share their tiffin box also. Okay, so one of your friend has bought some another thing and you have brought some different thing. Both of you exchange your food. You share your foods. Okay, so and one important thing is that you should not waste your food. Okay, now see our English fun rhyme is here. It is given. Tomatoes make your cheeks red. Carrots make you jump ahead. Spinach makes you strong. Peas make you dance along. Okay, so this is a English fun. Now see number of types of fruit in the boxes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So what we will write? We will write here 3. Number of types of foods outside boxes. 2 are there. So total number of fruits, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total are 5 fruits. Yes. Now let us move ahead and let me ask you a question here now. Let me see how many of you have understood. Observe the image carefully. Are students having midday meal? Yes, here you may get confused. Okay, they are having food. They might be having midday meal. But children, they are not having midday meal. Why I am saying so? Because midday meal, it is given by the school, given by the government. All are having same food. Okay, and here you can see different food in different tiffin. It is not a midday meal. Okay, by looking at the tiffin, you can say, yes, this is not a midday meal. Understood? Now, if I give you this picture, identify the place where people in the picture might be eating together. Yes, if you see this picture, you can see that turbans are there. Many people, many men are wearing turban. Okay, so we can say that, yes, we can be sure that the place might be of a gurudwara, langar. Okay, like that question may come. Okay, children, so these are today's keywords. Mosque is there, churches, temples, gurudwaras, midday meal, together, sharing. Okay, these all spellings again I have given in Google Classroom. Please write down these spellings in your copies along with the questions which are being given to you. Okay, these all are totally new words to you. Please write it down in your copies. Okay, with this, children, I am ending my class.